Me start my vlog from now on. Alright, here it is. Where are we going? Singapore!
Singapore!
Makasih Pak.
Siap Pak.
Ya, makasih banyak ya. Sampai ketemu lagi ya.
Siap Pak.
Yuk. What up, man?
Luar negeri.
What up, man?
Saya belum pernah.
David, why did he bring the same hat that I do? I have the same hat as you do, except it's not shiny. Mine is just white, plain. I think this one's more expensive, right, bro? If we line up di sebelah situ, do you think they will give us a business class?
Iya.
You think? So kita line up sebelah situ.
Coba aja.
Bus is going somewhere, and this time a trip. And my vlog this time around is gonna be 5 days abroad. 5 days.
Paspor gue masih
Apa?
imigrasi coy.
Paspor lu kenapa?
Di imigrasi paspor gue.
Ya udah, bye bro. See you later.
Ya kan serius. Emang nggak bisa fotokopi?
Apa?
Fotokopi.
Lalu lu kasih fotonya aja. Kalau bisa.
Bagus sih.
Anda udah nuker dolar? Berapa coba? Anda mau?
Gue belum nuker dolar nih. Gue katanya bisa tarik di sana ya.
Bisa.
Tapi potongannya kan katanya kecil. Tapi
Gantung
gue
juga.
ambilnya $10.000 jadi banyak.
Kasihan bang, kasihan.
Monopoli.
Kasihan bang, kasihan sebelah sini cuma $20. Mukanya.
Nggak punya duit gue.
Pak, biasanya kita suka di-upgrade ke bisnis class.
Iya mbak.
Iya,
Iya.
lagi nggak full.
Okay bro, relax.
Pakai GoPay atau pakai?
Halo. Say hi dong, say hi.
Selamat siang. Welcome back again.
Yay, she's nice. She's gonna subscribe to my channel by the way. Nonton YouTube kan?
Sorry?
Subscribe ya.
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 Subscribe siapa namanya channel?
Ariki Suroso.
Siap.
Thanks.
Ya udah, makasih ya.
Hello, hi.
Selamat datang.
Hello, hi.
Ya, baru aja siap. Selamat datang.
I'm excited, man. It's a trip, and so excited for it. Not this time. Not this time. Not this time. Abang at the back want to say something.
Ngayal.
Nah, ya.
Menyentuh bagian apapun dari jendela dan film ini tanpa ada instruksi dari awak kabin. Nama saya Prilly, saya bekerja di kabin bagian belakang. Jika Bapak dan Ibu membutuhkan bantuan, silakan melakukan pemberian. Terima kasih atas kerjasamanya dan selamat menikmati penerbangan.
Terima kasih Mbak Prilly.
Bye. 5 seconds.
So landed in Singapore. Hey, one more time we're here. I think it's my second time here in Singapore. Kedua kalinya kayak last time I was with him also, and now with this guy, and now I'm with this guy. Same. Last time we were here, I think not long ago, bro. A month ago. I think we were here a month ago, but I had a new person, a new guy, a new friend. This guy going to barang sama gue di sini. But anyway, nevertheless. I am very excited, very like super excited. But I need to get my SIM card. Katanya di dekat sini ada SIM card tray-nya yang gue harus ambil because I bought it in Klook. So gue nggak dibayar sama Klook untuk bilang kayak gini. Tapi kalau kalian mau yang namanya SIM card, before when you go to Singapore, it's better you buy it di Klook. Karena di Klooknya itu 100.000 dapat 100 giga 12 hari. So it's cheaper than any Telkomsel or XL or whichever. So jadi harganya 100.000 dapatnya 12 giga. All the best. Here to go Singapore for 5 days. I'll be around here, so I'll be vlogging. Talk to you very soon. Bye.
dropped it.
He dropped it. No, are you sure? Yeah, you dropped it.
Oh, this is
I did. Why this guy want to put a SIM card, drop a SIM card? Okay, so we're going to Jewel, and I've never taken you to Jewel before. This is my first time, so if any one of you want to go to Jewel, seharusnya bang level 2 bang. Seharusnya pencet lift eskalatornya dulu supaya bisa jalan. We're going to level 2 katanya. Pas level 2 you got to go to row 11. Tadi sana ada sky bridge-nya ke Jewel, and Jewel is free actually, nggak bayar. Tapi jam 5 ke atas Jewelnya itu katanya ada some kind of lightning show or some waterfall show. Jadi mereka ada tiketnya harus bayar. And that's the reason my good friend ngeliat di Klook yang namanya Jewelnya itu bayar. Berarti jam 5 ke atas you have to pay. Row 11. Come on. Alright, so I'm gonna take you there. First time, I've never seen it. They say this waterfall is the biggest waterfall indoor in the whole entire world. The biggest indoor. So I think I'm gonna show you the waterfall. They say not Asia's biggest, world's biggest indoor waterfall in the world. Here it is. So ladies and gentlemen, here it is. I'm gonna show you what the waterfall is about. Everyone's been talking about it, and it looks really cool. One of the biggest. Hey, it's wet. So it looks like this, just to show you. Gimana perasaan ketemu Ju? Yes. Biasa. By the way, it's semuanya air yang ada di sini. Yang katanya bertonton air comes down setiap hari yang ada di sini. That's why katanya terkenal banget. But perasaan hawanya humid banget ya. Humid banget gini ya. And perasaannya di sini humid banget kan, ruangannya ketutup, and it's very humid. Kalau lo kesini udah pasti keringetan dan basah dah, udah pasti. But I think it's one of the best waterfall everywhere else. The Jewel waterfall yang indoor katanya, the biggest in the world, the biggest in the world. We're in an apartment, and the room is spacious enough for 3 people. Okay lah, and I give it a thumbs up. And as you well know, Singapore itu apartemennya ya kayak gini-gini aja. So I'm gonna show you an apartment tour. Number 1, this is the bed, sharing bed. This siapa di sini gue nggak tahu.
Bang, ngomongin pak.
Di sini.
Duduk.
Bang, gue di sini sendiri bang.
Pakai extra bed di sini.
Iya, gue di sini sendiri.
Iya,
gue di sini.
And then this is the living room. This is the TV. The fridge is here. At least got a washing machine so we can wash, bang.
Yeah, buy the detergent.
Yes, so detergent $100, bro. Cuma $1. And this is the
Yeah, buy detergent. I said to buy detergent. Why?
bathroom, and all these stuff. It's good. Now we get a sink. We can get some food and cook.
Refrigerator.
and got a fridge, our own fridge, and a microwave at the top. So
Two AC.
quite complete. And him, and we're gonna be here until the 28th. Excited for it, very excited. And every day we finish at 5 o'clock. You know what's gonna happen after 5. We're gonna rest.
Apaan?
We're going to rest. We're going to rest. We're all tired. Nothing's gonna happen. We're going to rest. Anyway, I call it a day. The vlog is gonna come tomorrow, tonight. Kalau mana-mana, I don't think so. I'm gonna bring you around. Very tiring. Gue tidur malam ini, taking a rest. And that, everybody, say goodbye.
Wah!
Bye.
Gue PO duluan. Bang, gue kecil duluan bang. Bener, gue kebelet. Bang. Booyah! Thank you so much for stumbling into my YouTube channel. Appreciate it that you watched my videos all the way until now. And if you haven't already, please do make sure you punch that like button at the bottom and also press that share button. At the same time, if you can, you like any of the videos like this also, please do make sure you subscribe to my channel. And it's just right there with the red button. In that, thank you so much. I will see you in the next moment to come. You're still here. My social media platform. If you want to follow me, I forgot.